Hello, I am MD Nisar Ansari, Biology faculty, Khan Academy Ranchi. Today I will discuss about female reproductive system in human beings particularly. Just I have discussed the male reproductive system in previous classes. Then I will discuss about female reproductive system in human beings. Then first of all, you can see the diagram female reproductive system and the various parts of the female reproductive system, just like ovary, fallopian tube, uterus and vagina. The most important part of the female reproductive system is ovary first of all, second fallopian tube, and third uterus, and four vagina. This is the ovary of female reproductive part, and this is the ovum. The formation of ovum occurs in ovary. Ovary is generally almond shape and connected with the femur, just like finger like a structure. After the formation of ovum in the ovary, jumping in the fallopian tube and catching the ovum by femur, and then transfer to fallopian tube and conducting the ovum from through fallopian tube in the uterus. Next, fallopian tube is of three main parts. First ampulla, second isthmus, and third uterine. Ampulla plus isthmus plus uterine is called fallopian tube. Fallopian tube is also known as oviduct. Then uterus is divided into also three parts: fundus, the upper layer of the uterus, that is called fundus, and middle layer of the uterus, that is called body or corpus, and last and connected with vagina, this part is known as cervix. And also we can say about the layer of the uterus. The outermost layer, that is called perimetrium, middle layer, that is called mesometrium, and innermost part of the uterus, innermost layer of the uterus, that is called endometrium. Then I will discuss about the ovary first of all. Ovary is the female reproductive organ, and it is also known as primary sex organ because they produce gametes. Ovary, there are one pair, almond shape, and primary sex organ. Ova formation, this process is known as oogenesis. The formation of ova occurs in mainly ovary. About 400 to 500 ova formation in the ovary, and release about 400 to 500 ova in whole reproductive life period of a female. FSH and LH hormone is also responsible for the formation of ovum in the ovary through Graafian follicle, because FSH and LH is also known as sex hormone, and they release from the pituitary gland of the brain. So, next, fallopian tube. This is also known as oviduct. These are also one pair and 12 centimeter long each fallopian tube, and there are three important parts of fallopian tube, that is called ampulla, isthmus, and uterine part. this is the most important question. They can be asked in various competitive examination, that is called tubectomy. What is tubectomy? So then tubectomy, cutting of the fallopian tube, that is called tubectomy, and cutting of the vasa differentia, that is called vasectomy. Next I will discuss about the uterus, that is also called as womb. It is the largest part of female reproductive system, not the whole body. The largest part, yet the largest organ of the whole body is known as a skin, but uterus is the largest part of the female reproductive system. The size of the uterus is about 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter, and this is hollow part and muscular structure, tubular structure, and longest part. The main three main parts of the uterus, that is called fundus, body, and cervix, and the layers of uterus, this is most important. Perimetrium, this is the outermost layer of uterus, and myometrium, this is middle layer of the uterus. It is highly expansible and stretchable due to the presence of smooth muscles particularly, and due to the presence of calcium ion, the contraction is maximum during the pregnant and pregnancy, and progesterone hormone responsible the pregnancy of the female. Next, endometrium, which is connected. Endometrium is the innermost part of the female reproductive system and connected with the fetus with placenta. Next I will discuss about the next point, that is called vagina. Vagina, it is 7.5 centimeter long and about 2.5 centimeter wide, and this is made up of a specialized tissue, that is called non-keratinized squamous epithelium tissue. It is most important for a medical competitive examination. It consists of two important glands, that is called Bartholin glands. Bartholin glands are homologous of the bulbourethral glands, which occurs in male reproductive sex organ just above the penis. So Bartholin gland is homologous organ of the bulbourethral gland or P gland or Cowper's gland. Next, vagina, it is muscular, yani made up of muscles only, muscular, tubular, and vagina is also known as copulatory organ and also known as birth canal. So then I will discuss about the most important part of the female reproductive system. You have to write first of all ovary, because ovary is the primary sex organ. Ovary produces female gamete, that is called ova, after menarche or after puberty. Other sex organ except ovary, that is called secondary sex organ, and ovary is known as primary sex organ. You have to write only about 5 important points in female reproductive system, that is first ovary, then you have to discuss fallopian tube, that is also known as oviduct, and third point you can discuss about womb, that is called uterus. This is the most important part. And next and last point, vagina. So in this video I have discussed about female reproductive system in human beings in brief. Next I will discuss about the ovary in detail in next video. Therefore you can learn about this structure with diagram, and you have to revise again and again. Thanks